Now let's take a closer look at HTML paragraphs and how they are displayed. Paragraphs in HTML are defined by the P element. Here are 3 paragraphs. This is how they are written in the code, and this is how they are displayed on the page. You can see that the browser automatically adds some white space, also known as margin, before and after each paragraph. HTML can be a mystery. You can never be sure how HTML will be displayed. Screen sizes, as well as resized windows, will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or lines in the HTML code. In fact, the browser will remove any extra spaces or line breaks when the page is displayed. If you want a line break, use the HTML BR element. This breaks a line without starting an entirely new paragraph.